What Skilla Baby say? You can go bust down middle part or side. Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. I'm Kashay the Rockstar, and if you did not read the title, we are here to review Unice hair. Yes, and let's get into this unboxing first because I'm here for the satin bag. And then in the inside, there's a nice, healthy, thick, luxurious box. Like, get into it. Come on. Yes. Work. Okay. So first things first, we have the wig. Then we have a good old HD cap, because come with it. Ooh, hold on. A whole little goodie bag. Let's see what's in it. Some more caps, because they know I'm a hairstylist. They must know, because I need these. I need these for the girls. There's 4 caps in here. Like, come with it, because they saying you could get multiple uses. That's what it's giving. Oh, they gave me a little sticker I could put on my laptop. Press on nails is wild, and they're custom press on nails. They're their color Pink Rebel. Like, I'm loving it. I might gotta put these on too. And yes, come on with the soft edge wrap. Oh my gosh. Now, why did y'all play? They didn't give me 1 pair. They gave me 8 pair. 8 pair of lashes is wild, Unice. Cause guess what? You real nice, baby. You are real nice. But let's get into this wig. Okay, and it's the Water Wave 180 density. It's pre-cut. Like, come on. Definitely beginner friendly. I like this. I like this a lot. Okay. Let's see if this is going to be an easy install. So first things first, we got to get rid of this wig that's been hanging on. So whoop! Out with the old, in with the new. Yes, ma'am. So I cleaned my hair and put in 4 little braids. And then I'm going to smooth the edges back. I'm using Got To Be gel and a good sturdy edge brush. After I smooth my edges back, I'm using concealer that matches my forehead complexion to apply to the inside of the wig's lace. Once I apply my makeup onto the lace, I'm going to adjust the straps so it could fit my head nice and snug. Then boom, pop that on like a bend and snap on Legally Blonde. And as you can see, this wig is literally almost done. I'm not a big fan of these baby hairs, so I'm definitely going to add a little more dip on my chip. When doing your baby hairs, you want to spray a little hairspray and smooth back the hairs with your hot comb just to isolate the baby hair so you don't cut any of the other hair that you want to keep. So I'm repeating that on both sides. Hey, I see it's about to turn out real good. I kind of got excited in the middle of doing this tutorial. Then you want to use your razor comb to cut the hairs that you left out for your baby hairs. So they should be about 1 inch or less. After you cut, you want to use your mini curlers or your mini pencil flat irons and just curl those baby hairs to make it easy to swoop. After you curl those baby hairs, go ahead and apply your hairspray and just swoop those edges how you desire. Now, when I tell you this is completely glueless, look at that. It's glueless, baby. I love it. Now it's time to define that middle part. Now that my wig is pretty much done, I gotta, give the full look. So let me apply these lashes. I'm telling y'all, this was literally the fastest install ever in my life. Like, I am feeling myself. I am feeling it. But for some reason, I kind of wanted to side part. So hold on. I'm going to apply my edge wrap just so the wig doesn't shift when I'm changing my part. To me, side parts give a little bit more of like the sexy, sultry, mysterious look. Middle parts are more so boom in your face. But I love the fact that this is a 7x5 wig and you have the luxury of middle part or side. When I literally tell you this is the install, they did all the heavy lifting for you. You just pop it on and go. So thank you for watching. If you like it, like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you try the wig out. Bye.